Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to configure Tally Data Path. First, launch your Tally Prime application. Once it's open, locate and click on the Data menu, which is usually found at the top of the screen, or simply press Alt+Y. From the drop-down options, select Data Path. This action will open a new window where you can see various data-related settings. Then, choose Company Data Path to proceed with changing your data storage location. Now, let's change that path. Within the Data Path screen, you'll press Enter on Company Data Path. You can then choose to specify path and paste a folder path, or select from Drive to open a file browser. Here, you can navigate through your computer's folders to select an existing directory where you want Tally data to be stored. Alternatively, you can create a brand new folder specifically for your Tally data. Once you've chosen your preferred location, confirm your selection to apply the changes, often by pressing Ctrl+A. To ensure your changes are fully implemented, it's a good practice to restart Tally Prime. Close the application completely and then reopen it. Once Tally is back up, go back to the Data menu, then Data Path. Carefully observe the path displayed on the screen under Company Data Path. It should now reflect the new folder you selected in the previous step, confirming that your data path has been successfully updated. This ensures Tally Prime will list companies from this new location. Before making any data path changes, always perform a complete backup of your Tally data. This safeguards your valuable information. For the best performance and to minimize data corruption risks, it's highly recommended to choose a local drive on your computer for your Tally data path, rather than a network drive. Also, ensure that the new folder you select has the necessary read and write permissions to prevent any data access issues. These steps help maintain data integrity and smooth operation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.